Hello everybody, excuse the cartoons you hear in the background. My little guy's watching TV as I do this for you. So let's go over our review sheet. The three particles that make up an atom are protons, which have a positive charge, electrons, which have a negative charge, and neutrons, which have no charge. So they are very neutral, therefore the term neutron. The three particles that are located, the protons and neutrons, are here in the center, or the nucleus, and the electrons are floating around the outside. If you remember from our atomic history unit when you guys made those little books, there are a bunch of theories about whether they were sprinkled evenly across the surface. That was Thomson, or Rutherford and Bohr, who said that they were in little orbits around the nucleus. Now we know that they're in a cloud. All right, mass number and atomic mass. This confuses a lot of people. Mass number is the mass of one particular atom of an isotope. The atomic mass is the average of all isotopes that exist. So, for an example, carbon-14. On the periodic table, it says that the atomic mass is 12.01. That's just an average of all of the possibilities of carbon. Carbon-14, you know, because it has this 14 after it, has an atomic mass, a mass number of 14. That particular one little atom that you could pluck out of the universe is a little bit heavier than the rest. It has a mass of 14. On average, though, they're going to have an atomic mass of about 12. Let's figure out protons, electrons, and neutrons. So chlorine is first. The atomic number of chlorine is 17, so you automatically know that the number of protons and electrons are both going to match that, so 17, 17. To figure out the number of neutrons, you take the mass number minus the atomic number. So if you look on the periodic table, the number of, the atomic mass is about 35. We're going to round to the closest, which is 35, and then subtract the atomic number. Here, 17. That gives us 18. Carbon, if you look on the periodic table, had that average mass of 12.1, something like that. So we're going to round that to 12. 12 minus 6 equals 6 neutrons. We know protons and electrons are going to match the atomic number. As far as argon, argon has an atomic number of 18, so protons are 18, electrons are 18. It has an atomic mass of about 40, so we round to 40, minus the 18 electrons and protons gives us 22. 22 neutrons are in there.